friends, hey family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry. So in today's video I'm going to be dropping this natural neutralish makeup tutorial. My skin has been really acting up lately. I do have a lot more skin texture and hyperpigmentation. Oh, and I'm also going to be trying out the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation for the first time. I've heard so many good things about the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. I'm so excited. Feel free to follow me on Instagram using my barcode. You can just take a picture of this on your phone. I'm sure you know how it goes. And also go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you never ever miss out anytime I have a new video up for you guys. I'm going to be leaving you guys to enjoy the rest of the video with some amazing music. I'll pop back in shortly to give you guys my full review on the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. Again, all the products that I'm going to be using in this video is going to be linked in my description box down below, so feel free to check it out if you want to try out any of these products for yourself.
Jewel Javi.
For your loving, I go change my life. Baby, don't you change your mind. You know I will never leave you behind. Although you always on my mind. How you show me love. How you give me love. Although you will buy me your love. Although you will buy me your love. I don't feel explain how you make I feel. Your love that drive me, I'm on pills. I think I'm so head over heels. Baby, give me fever, you they give me chills. I go never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I go never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I want you for life. No more better, wish you more life. I give you loving alright. So give me loving alright. Girl, I want you by my side. I cannot let me talk, boy, yeah. Girl, I want you by my side. Oh, fine, let me talk, boy, yeah. How you show me love. How you give me love. Although you will buy me your love. Although you will buy me your love. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side.
Jewel Javi.
Oh yeah. For your loving, I go change my life. Baby, don't you change your mind. You know I will never leave you behind. Although you will always on my mind. How you show me love. How you give me love. Although you will buy me your love. Although you will buy me your love. I don't feel explain how you make I feel. Your love that drive me, I'm on pills. I think I'm so head over heels. Baby, give me fever, you they give me chills. I go never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I want you for life. No more Bentley, wish you more life. I give you loving alright. So give me loving alright. Girl, I want you by my side. I cannot let me talk, boy, yeah. Girl, I want you by my side. Oh, fire, let me talk, boy, yeah. How you show me love. How you give me love. Although you will buy me your love. Although you will buy me your love. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side.
At this point, I immediately knew I had messed up majorly. This foundation is so not my shade. I should have gotten it in the shade. But hey, we live and we learn. And I'm still going to use up the whole entire bottle. My only issue with this foundation is that I got the shade too light, but I could work with it. I'm definitely going to work with it. I'll probably get another darker shade to mix it with. But apart from that, I totally love the formulation of this foundation. It gives off this blurring effect after application. It feels so lightweight. I love the smell. It doesn't really have a smell, but it has something like a smell. It has some kind of oudish spicy smell to it. Yeah, it definitely does have a smell. I really love the Huda Beauty foundation packaging. It's so clean, modern. I love it. I've also had the chance to mix and match and play with this foundation a little more. So yes, I do know it's long wearing, waterproof, sweat-proof, but I don't know if it's really Dubai proof because it says that on the packaging, but it's for you to judge. And I love the fact that it gives off this subtle blurring effect, which I really do need at this point in my life. It did make the overall final makeup look turn out really seamless and beautiful.
Jewel Javi.
Oh yeah. For your loving, I go change my life. Baby, don't you change your mind. You know I will never leave you behind. Although you will always on my mind. How you show me love. How you give me love. Although you will buy me your love. Although you will buy me your love. I don't feel explain how you make I feel. Your love that drive me, I'm on pills. I think I'm so head over heels. Baby, give me fever, you they give me chills. I go never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I want you for life. No more Bentley, wish you more life. I give you loving all nights, so give me loving all night. Girl, I want you by my side. I cannot let me talk, boy, yeah. Girl, I want you by my side. Oh, fire, let me talk, boy, yeah. How you show me love. How you give me love. Although you who behind me your love. Although you who behind me your love. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. For your loving, I go change my life. Baby, don't you change your mind. You know I will never leave you behind. Although you will always on my mind. How you show me love. How you give me love. Although you will behind me your love. Although you will behind me your love. I don't feel explain how you make I feel. Your love that drive me, I'm on pills. I think I'm so head over heels. Baby, give me fever, you they give me chills. I go never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I want you for life. No more Bentley, wish you more life. I give you loving all nights, so give me loving all night. Girl, I want you by my side. I cannot let me talk, boy, yeah. Girl, I want you by my side. Oh, fire, let me talk, boy, yeah. How you show me love. How you give me love. Although you who behind me your love. Although you who behind me your love. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change. Show me love. Give me love. Although you will buy me your love. Although you will buy me your love.
Jewel Javi.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. For your loving, I go change my life. Baby, don't you change your mind. You know I will never leave you behind. Although you always on my mind. How you show me love. How you give me love. Although you will buy me your love. Although you will buy me your love. I don't feel explain how you make I feel. Your love that drive me, I'm on pills. I think I'm so head over heels. Baby, give me fever, you they give me chills. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I want you for life. No more pending, wish you more life. I give you loving all right. So give me loving all night. Girl, I want you by my side. I cannot let me talk, boy, yeah. Girl, I want you by my side. Oh, fire, let me talk, boy, yeah. How you show me love. How you give me love. Although you will buy me your love. Although you will buy me your love. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side. I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side.
Oh my god, thank you guys so much for watching this video up to this point. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below, like this video, comment everything that YouTube says we should do so they know we're doing a good job and they keep pushing my videos. I really do love how this makeup look turned out. So warm but neutral. You could wear this every day, any day of the week. So guys, stay blessed and I'll definitely see you in my next video. But until then, bye!
I could never ever leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side.